Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul today. I haven't done a Dollar Tree haul in a really long time. Not because I haven't been going to Dollar Tree, because I always go to Dollar Tree. It's my jam. But more because I just really haven't been finding a lot of things that I felt like hauling. And I found some really cute coloring books that I wanted to share. And I also found some really cool stencils. So I just wanted to kind of share with you what I bought. And I think this is like a couple of trips kind of combined, but just recent trips. So let's go ahead and jump in and show you what I got. So here are some basic treats that I typically get when I go to the Dollar Tree. I love this Dentine Ice pack of gum. And there's 40 pieces in there, or 20 pieces, I'm sorry. And I just like this flavor, and I love the little packaging. It like fits perfectly in the little pocket of my purse, the little side pocket of my purse. So yeah, I try to pick this up pretty much like every third time I go in there. I need a new one. I like gum. And then I've been really into Twizzlers lately, so I typically pick up a bag of Twizzlers. And then I wanted to try these because it says improved recipe. And I think that's funny when companies do like improved recipes. Like, weren't Butterfingers delicious before? Like, what can you possibly improve about a Butterfinger? So I just wanted to try and see if they are new and improved, as they say. So these have been hauled already. I'm sure if you've watched Dollar Tree hauls, you would have seen these little prayer boxes. But I just wanted to show you the couple that I picked up. I have this one. It's kind of a really cute little plaid pattern, and I love the colors. And then all of them have the little pencil. Make sure you open the box and check to make sure the pencil's in there, because there was some of them that didn't have the little pencil. So, and then they're just little pieces of paper in there, and you make little prayers and stick them in here. And then this is a florally one. Again, it all kind of matches. They have different scriptures in the tin. I'm planning on giving these to my life group, but I need to find one more because there's 6 of them plus me. So I need to find one more before I can give them away, because I don't want to give 5 of them and then one girl not have one. So, but I love the fact that they're all different. So I'm hoping if I do find another one that it will be different, so I can give each of them one different one. So let me know if you guys have seen a different one than this. I'm assuming there's probably a 6th one. I'm hoping there is. So let me know if you guys have seen different ones than this. I picked up a new puzzle. It's kind of interesting because I feel like this puzzle is a little bit fall. Like, has a little bit of fall flavor to it with the pumpkins and the... So I don't know if this was like a fall one and they just happened to find it in the back room. But the reason that I got it was my mom has a poodle, and it actually kind of has that haircut. And I love the little Bible on the chair and just a little kitty cat tilting his little head. So I think I'm actually going to give this to my mom for Christmas. Last year I did like a little Christmas box for her, like a 12 Days of Christmas box, and I think I'm going to do that again this year. So I think this would be a great little thing to put in that box. So I'm just going to put this away into my Christmas stuff and pull it out when that time is that time. Okay, so if you watch my channel at all, you know that I have a sticker problem. If you watch my you know, Happy Planner haul or Happy Planner videos or journaling cards or journaling videos. And if you're just here for the haul video, that's fine too. But if you like those types of videos, if you're a crafty person and you like that kind of stuff, you might want to check the little subscription box and check out my other videos. So I know this is really hard to show you because it's glaring like crazy, but they're like little decal sticker things, and they actually had this in a big one, like the wall ones, not that long ago. I use this in my boho journal, so I do a journal every single month that has my devotionals in it. So I used this, and it had like little stickers. So it didn't have the glitter or the foil accent to it, but like, see how this one is like big, like this one? So I'm hoping I can actually find another pack of that because I think I used almost all of those stickers in this book. So you can see I used it there, and then I don't know what else there. I don't know if that's not it. That's the coloring book page. But yeah, I used it in different spots in this journal. So I thought, you know, I'm going to go ahead and grab this one because I thought it was pretty. And then I got another wall decal that's like a little unicorn. And I saw this same exact design in a banner that they had. I want to say it was at Dollar Tree, but I can't remember if it was a Dollar Tree or 99-cent only store. I kind of think it was at the 99-cent only store that I saw the banner. So I thought that was interesting that it's literally the same exact design. But I have no idea what I'm going to do with this because it's huge. I don't think I can actually put it in my planner because that's not the size of my planner. My planner is not that size. But I thought it was really cute, even with the flowers, you know, all the floral that's included in it. I thought, you know, I could get $1 out of all those floral pieces. So I went ahead and purchased it. Plus I think the eyelashes are kind of cute. And then I love this mermaid one. I love doing a mermaid theme spread in my planners during the summer. I think I've done one in almost every summer, I think. So yeah, I just thought these were really pretty. I love how classic they look. They're not really cartoony, they're just really pretty. And I love the colors, and look at the pretty dolphin. And then I love that it has like extra stickers, like the little stars and the seashells. And this one's got the little fishies within it, within the thing, and then the little coral reef down here. So I thought I can make a really cool planner layout with that. And then I also bought this one. And the reason that I purchased this one is because my most recent journal, this one from Cheaply Chic, it's called Grow Girl. So I'm doing kind of like a farmhouse theme. That's kind of the theme of the monthly journal, is a farmhouse. So I thought this would be kind of cute just to put some of these bigger stickers on different pages that I kind of want to like decorate. So that's why I bought this one. Bought a couple of their handmade cards because honestly I just can't pass them up. I just think they're so pretty. So I bought this one that says Easter Blessings, and it's got a really pretty floral cross with glitter, and then this is the inside, and it's got a pink envelope. And this one says Hello Spring. I just think this is so cute. With the florals in the mason jar. And then I love this one. Look at the little bunny with the little tiara flower crown. I think Cheaply Chic actually, she hauled this one, I think, and I think I just fell in love with it. So I love the fact that the edge of the outside is jaggedy cut. I think that's a really cute little element that they put on there. So then it shows the pink from the inside of the card, which I think is really cute. So I bought a couple of tissue paper packs. I love this floral design, and they're just coming out with so much of this stuff. I just seen the bags. They had like really big bags with the butterfly image on it with this floral around it. So I've never seen that before, where they have like the tissue paper and the bags match. I should have bought that bag. Might have to go back and buy that bag just so I have the floral that matches the bag. And then this one's really pretty too. This kind of like mint green with the, kind of looks like palm leaves a little bit. And then I also picked up, I often pick up these for my Etsy shop. So it's an envelope, big huge envelope, but that's water resistant and got the bubble. So I picked up 3 of those. One of these boxes. I actually bought one already before this, and I really like it. I'm actually storing the things that I'm put on sale in my Etsy shop in this box. And so basically it's just like it's a 10 by 25 by 12 by 25. So it's kind of a longer, shorter box, which is kind of nice. And it just has like a handle in the front. So yeah, and it's got a top and a bottom. And so I bought another one because I like the one that I have now. Wow. So I bought these feathers. I don't know. They were just a impulse buy. I'd seen feathers before in the Dollar Tree, but I thought, you know, because there's been a couple of times where I've like, oh, I wish I had a feather to add to this page. So I figured, you know what, let me just buy it, and then, you know, it's for $1. Even if I use 2 or 3 out of here, I feel like I got my money's worth. Okay, and I was really excited about these stencils. I did cut up the tops of them because I had them already stored in my little box, but they are from the Jot brand. So this one is kind of cool because it kind of goes along with the whole feather theme, which I thought that was neat. And yeah, so I really love using stencils in my journals. It's I think it just adds like an element to the page without really like adding bulk or anything to the page. So I really like stencils. So I love this floral design, and this just kind of seems like it would just go with anything. You could just add it to pretty much any kind of design element. And then I love the fox one. I just love that one. And the little owl is cute too, and the Tweety bird and the little raccoon. Yeah, I'm in love with this. And I've had these before. I've used these before. I have the one that's like kind of like just a pattern. And they work really, really well. I'm very, very impressed. And $1 for a stencil is a good deal. Even at Tuesday Morning, you can't find this particular, like this mini and this big of an image. They would be at least $2. Like probably $2.99, $3.99, you know, $2.99. So $1 is a great deal. And then I bought this one. I was excited to find this one. This one's really cute. Happy and Love and Happiness. Do What You Love to Do. I love that one. And then Love, Daydream. And you could just do the dream without the day. Okay, so then the last thing I wanted to go through were all of the kind of coloring books, the adult coloring books that I found. My Dollar Tree had a bunch of coloring books. I bought a double of this one. My Dollar Tree had a bunch of coloring books. Now, I personally use these color books in my journals. I've done a couple of spreads where I've actually like cut out things like that leaf thing, the feather thing I just showed you. That was part of a Dollar Tree coloring book. So this one is really cool. It's the garden one, and I love the little image on here. I'm even thinking about like taking the cover off and using the cover. That's why I bought 2 of them, because there was a couple of images in here and I liked both sides of the image, and unfortunately it's double-sided. So I could copy it and then, you know, use the copy, but for $1, I'll just buy 2 of them. But I thought this would be really cool for my actual garden theme that I'm doing right now. And the other thing I loved is that it had the flowers in here with the name of the flowers. I thought that was really cool. This one's like an onion one on the side. So I'm not going to obviously flip this entire thing, but the one specifically that I liked, I loved this page. Look how cute that image is with the little house and all the little, like, this cute, perfect for a garden theme. I love it. I love it. And the thing is, I have the journal I'm currently doing and then another like little golden book journal that I'm doing that I thought this image would look really cute on. So I had to buy 2 of them specifically really for that image. But yeah, there's some really cute things. And then I bought this one, and this one's a little bit different in like the quality. This one's like a little bit more flimsy than this one. It kind of feels like the cardstock that they used for the cover is a little bit better quality. And I don't really see any run on with this one. That's so cute. It just looks like a happy little kitty. Yeah, look at this one too. That's really cool. But I don't even think you really need to color these. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice that. Oh, what a bummer. That's all right. I don't really like that image anyway. Look at the little dogs. I mean, I just think these are kind of cool just by themselves. I don't really think you need to add anything to them. And I have a couple of cat little golden book journals that I'm doing, and I thought I really love adding coloring books to little golden book journals. So this is kind of just an inexpensive way of doing that. So that's that one. And then I got Relax and look at that. I think Cheap Crafty Girl also hauled this one because I somehow remember this bow picture. Like as soon as I flipped it over and I was like, oh, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. But look at the pizza. Yeah, I just think this one's really cool too. Oh, look at the doggy. Oh, that's cool too. Yeah, so again, I don't even necessarily think you need to color these. Oh, and I love this one. I got this one. I have a plan for this particular page. Yeah, so the wine one's cool. Yeah, I just think these are really cool. Look at that fox. That's really cool. Oh, the strawberries. I didn't even see the strawberries. I have a strawberry layout that I'm going to be doing in a Happy Planner, and I also have a junk journal I might be doing with strawberry themes. So that will be cool to have that. Okay, so yeah, and then I also am going to be doing a little golden book Cinderella, and I thought this would be perfect to add in a couple of these pages into that book. And I love that they're white on the other side, so I can like make them as pockets or maybe make a tag out of the images. And yeah, I think these are really cute. Look at that page right there. That could just be a page in the journal. So kindness opens every door. Yeah, I just thought this book was really cute. I try to find other images too, like, because I have a Peter Pan one, and I have a couple of other ones. I can't remember. Oh, Sleeping Beauty. I have a Sleeping Beauty, a Peter Pan, and a Cinderella. So I'm hoping I can find a Sleeping Beauty one like this. That'd be cool. And then I just randomly found this one. I'm sure it was probably, again, probably in that box with the puzzle. Because it's Christmas. But I just thought it was really super cool. And I don't remember seeing this in any haul videos. I mean, obviously, I haven't watched every single haul video, but the ones I was watching, I didn't see it. I mean, it's kind of an interesting thing. You know, I don't know. Some images are a little bit out there. But it's really good hard cardstock paper. Like it's a really, not cardstock, but it's not just regular, like thin paper. Again, don't think you need to color it necessarily. But, you know, it's cute. Oh, I like that one. That actually go with the colors I'm using in my December daily if I ever get that done. Oh, and I loved that one. I thought that was really sweet. Okay, so yeah. So that is everything that I got at the Dollar Tree. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.